In the heat, it is those who have the least ability to provide options for themselves who are the most vulnerable. Who is that? Many times that's our seniors. Many times that's lower income New Yorkers who don't have air conditioning. It's people who can't leave their home even if they wanted to because of disability or other challenges. It's folks who have chronic health conditions. Certainly mirrors a lot of what we're seeing in terms of the impact of the coronavirus, but the heat has particular elements that allow us to hone in on those who need help the most and literally know person by person, apartment by apartment, who are some of the people who need the most help. And that's guiding us in our strategy to proactively get help to people and protect them against any heat wave that might be ahead. So I'm going to go over some of the key elements of how we will protect the most vulnerable New Yorkers. First, we're going to be providing more and more a growing initiative to provide free air conditioners to low-income seniors who need them. Now again, remember, senior citizens, often with the fewest options, sometimes limited mobility, a lot of times lower income. These are the folks who are in the most dangerous situation. Many have major pre-existing health conditions. Knowing that low-income seniors are the most vulnerable, we're going to start an initiative right away to get them air conditioners. We're going to have 74,000 air conditioners in the first wave of this initiative, 22,000 of which will go to residents of public housing. We're going to identify the individuals who need the most, working with our colleagues at NYC, Public Housing, at Department for the Aging, our Housing Department, HPD, and the Human Resources Administration. So we'll identify those who need help the most. We'll reach out to them, confirm that an air conditioner makes sense for them, and then we'll begin installations. Those installations will start next week. This is a $55 million investment, and $20 million of it will come from the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, NYSERDA. And we are very, very appreciative to everyone at NYSERDA, everyone at the state government, for their participation in this effort. Is absolutely going to protect our seniors and help save lives no matter what Mother Nature throws at us. The remainder of the cost is it's an area of public investment that is eligible for federal reimbursement. We want to make sure we get those federal grants to offset the cost.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.